quite a lot going on in this question, but we're given a table to help us figure things out. So let's just work through it. I think the first thing to do is work out the expected number of microwaves that are faulty. So if 6 out of the 80 were faulty last month, we can assume similar again. So the fraction that's faulty is going to be 6 over 80. And if we times that by the number that we're now selling, that will give us an estimate for how many will be faulty. And I've done it here already. 6 divided by 80 times 133, 9.975. Which we can say is about 10 of the microwaves, roughly. Okay, income from sales. We're selling 133 of them, selling them each for £60. So we can just multiply that together. $7,980. That's how much we expect to make. Expected costs, well, we need to think about how much it cost us to buy them, so £32. But we also paid delivery, £7 delivery for each one, so it's actually going to be 32 plus 7. And then we need to think about the ones that are faulty, so we expect 10 of them to be faulty. For each one, it costs us £25 to repair, and re-deliver. So it's going to be 10 times £25, an extra £250. If we figure that out, it's 133 times 39 plus 250, 5437. Okay, so we know how much we've spent and we know how much we've made. Now, I'm going to talk about two different ways for how we can work out the percentage profit. The first one, I really like the method of just using the idea of multipliers. So you've got the new is equal to the old times the multiplier. In our case, the new is how much we've made. So sales. And that's going to be the costs times the multiplier. And that means the multiplier is going to be sales divided by the costs. And we can do 7,980 from there, divided by the costs, which we just had, and we get 1.4677. That tells you your multiplier, and that means it's 146.77%. That's what the income from sales is as a percentage of the costs. So what's the percentage increase or the percentage profit? It's just this bit here. It's 46.8%. Okay, we definitely can't be any more accurate than that. You might even say 47%. Okay, that's the way I like to do it. Another way you could do it would be to memorize the formula. Percentage profit is going to equal your profit, which is your income from your sales minus your expected costs, divided by your costs, and then you're going to need to times that by 100. But you have to sort of remember that formula, whereas remembering this one is much more useful for all your percentage questions, essentially. Anyway, as long as you can get there, that's the main thing, 46.8.